got a big hand for Kahala Mall. What a great place to shop. Love this mall, love this mall. We're very, very honored to perform for each and every one of you. Thank you so very much. We hope you've enjoyed yourselves. Have a wonderful, blessed holiday season here in Hawaii. We end with this song that Richie brought to us. He saw 4 young Samoan women sing this song at his high school when he was attending Waianae High School, and he was really moved by this song. And he brought it to us, and we heard it, and we fell in love with it. So we want to share this with each and every one of you, the ultimate Christmas song. This is the time for giving thanks and for being thankful. And this song, more than any other song that we could perform for you right now, is the ultimate reason for being thankful. So we do this song for each and every one of you in closing, but I'd like to introduce the band as well. How's about on bass guitar, vocals, and the shades, the cool master, Mr. Kahi. Kaonohi o Kahala.
Merry Christmas.
On the other side, on the ukulele, guitar, vocals, he slices and dices, and he does more. Worried about what the more means, but how's about a big hand, Mr. Richard Gideon?
Happy holidays, everyone. And the saint of the group. On the slacky guitar, how's about a big hand from Mr. Bobby Moderow Jr.
Bless you, my son. Thank you very much. You can just call me Pontiff. We'll see that.
Thing's chuckling again. Okay, Poncho.
Pontiff Moderow, I like that. We'll see you all again soon. Thank God we're inside. Lightning gonna kill me, man. We'll see you all again soon. Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. Here's a song that we love very much. It's called He Is the Only Reason. A song that's on our latest album, Maunalua. And as soon as we're Paul, we're gonna come right down here. Thank you, Francis. I love you, Francis. Mountain Apple. All you guys, we love you guys very, very much. Pat, love you too, my brother. We'll see you guys again soon. God bless you all. Aloha.
Blessed with so many things. God's been good to me, and I have family who share in all I do. But if I lose it all, and I am left with nothing. If I have the Lord, I know I'll make it through. He's the only reason I live, the only reason. He's the only reason I live, for all the reason. There's nothing in this world worth living for. It only leaves you empty, longing for more. Oh, he's the only reason I live, for the only reason. I've tried a lot of different things to find real happiness. But if you look very long, you know can be found until you find the Lord and the power of His Spirit. He'll be a reason to live, and He'll never let you down. He's the only reason I live. What a reason. Oh, He's the only reason I live. What a reason. There's nothing in this world worth living for. It only leaves you empty and longing for more. Oh, He's the only reason I live. What a reason. He's the only reason I live. What a reason. He's the only reason. He's the only reason. He's the only reason I
God bless you all. Merry Christmas. Thank you very much. Hello, holidays, everybody. Merry Christmas.